Okay, let me ask you, have you ever walked into a skincare store or opened a beauty website and you are overwhelmed with the products that you see there? I mean, how do you even know what is essential for your skin? Well, today I'm going to break it all down and share with you the basic essentials, like those skincare products that everyone needs, that you need. Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gloria, and on this channel we're all about beauty, motherhood, and a little bit of lifestyle. I know firsthand how confusing skincare can be, especially as a beginner. So the number one product that you need, this one is non-negotiable, is a must, is definitely a cleanser. That is the foundation of your routine. And when I say cleanser, for your face, you need a face cleanser. For your body, you need a body wash or a bar soap. So for face cleanser, you can use, this is a face cleanser for your face, the face fat hydrating cleanser, and also this is a body wash for your body. This is the one I'm currently using. This is the St. Ives hydrating body wash. So body wash and a face cleanser, these are must-haves. Please, as a beginner, don't use your body wash on your face and say, let me use it both on my face and my body. There are some body washes that they will say you can use it on your face as well, but me, I don't recommend it because I feel like if this is for your body, let it be for your body. If this is for your face, let it be for your face. Like the texture, if you notice, the texture of any product that says for body and face is not actually the same as when a product is only for the body and also when a product is only for the face. Okay, I prefer products for body, let it be for body, for face, let it be for face. So you see this is for your body and this is for your face. This is your foundation. This is the foundation of your routine. You cannot do without it. You cannot work on a dirty surface. You cannot work on a dirty skin. You need a clean skin to actually apply other products. So this is the foundation, the number one, a face cleanser and a body wash or a bar soap. You can use the Dove bar soap or even the St. Ives, the bar soap as well. Your main focus should be cleanser that will remove dirt, oil buildup, makeup, and also not strip your skin of its natural oils and make your skin to look dry and flaky. Okay, you don't want that. You just need a hydrating cleanser, a moisturizing soothing cleanser that will just remove oils, dirt, and remove makeup on your skin. So the second product that you actually need is toner. Yes, I've seen some people say that toner is not necessary, toner is not, but I feel like toner is should be part of your routine because it actually helps to prep your skin for the next step. It actually helps to balance your skin. So you don't want to say I don't want to use toner, toner is not a must. You can say toner is not a must, but for me toner is a must. Toner actually helps to balance my skin. Okay, imagine using a salicylic acid face wash and I just go in with the next product. So that will actually help you because when you use a salicylic acid face wash or you use a face wash that is, you know, going to strip your skin, okay, because sometimes you can actually get face wash that will actually strip your skin. So imagine if you use that kind of toner. So imagine if you use that kind of toner, sorry, cleanser, and you now move on to using your face moisturizer, your skin will not really be hydrated and properly moisturized. Okay, so you need to apply your toner. Use your toner. Sometimes toner can even act as removing extra dirt. Sometimes you'll be looking at your face and you finish washing your face, you think you have actually washed your face is clean. When you use toner, you put it on your cotton pad and wipe your face again, you will still see dirt on that part. Trust me, that is because there is still dirt on your face, and toner actually, and the toner that you use actually helps to remove the remaining dirt on your face. So toner is important, is a must have. Okay, so you need toners in your skincare routine. Okay, and there are some toners that target specific skin concerns. There are toners that is just for balancing your skin. There are some toners that is for hydration. There are some toners that is for brightening. Okay, toners also target specific skin concerns as well. So you need toners in your skincare routine. I have some toners. I have this Dr. Rachel vitamin C niacinamide toner. I also have this aloe vera hydrating toner. This one is also just for hydration, it's just for soothing it. This one actually suits my skin. This is the XPC aloe vera hydrating face toner. This toner actually suits my skin. This one is toner for evening out my skin tone and, you know, for hydration as well. Then I also have this other one that is called the, where is that toner, where is that toner, where is that toner? Okay, I also have this aqua liquorized pH balancing toner. This is actually a real pH balancing toner. Okay, and it's also a brightening toner. This toner, it contains liquorized roots, and any product that contains liquorized roots actually brightens the skin really well. Okay, so imagine you see this product and say you don't want to use it because it's a toner, it doesn't do anything on my skin. I'm wasting time. Oh, please, Get a toner and get the affordable one. This one is for 4,000. I got this one for 3,500. I bought this one for 12,500. So you need toner. Just go for the one that you can afford and just use it. Move on to the third must have product, which is what? Moisturizer. Yes, let me show you the moisturizers I have here. Trust me when I say that hydration is the key to glowing skin. You cannot have skincare products and you don't have moisturizers. You don't have face moisturizers. Please, this is the Bio Nature Natural Glow Healthy Glow Face Cream. I got this one for 6,500. Why this one is the first fat bright and clear face cream. Use any of these two, please, or even Dr. Rachel face cream. Just get a face moisturizer that will help to moisturize your face, hydrate your face, and make your face to plump. Okay? Don't just say, after applying my toner, I can just move on with my day. Please, you need a face moisturizer. Face moisturizer is very important, okay? It's a must have. You cannot do without face moisturizer. Then the fourth product that you need that is a must have as your skincare product is definitely a sunscreen. Please, please, where is my sunscreen? Wait, the other one. If you don't take anything from this video, please don't remove this one. Imagine building this skincare routine. You apply all these products and you just go out. You not apply sunscreen. Hey, you are doing yourself more harm than good. Like you are causing serious problem for your skin because your skin is going to same way. Please, whenever you finish applying your products, please make sure that the last thing for you apply is your sunscreen. Don't skip your sunscreen, okay? You can get this kind of sunscreen or this one. This is the Gevia sunblock. This sunscreen is really nice, and this one is the Tokobo sunblock. This one is for 6,500. This one is for 15,000. So you can get any of these, okay? I use this on my body and I use this on my face. So just I was using this before I got this. So this one you can also use it on your face and on your body. This one you can use it on your face and on your body as well. The reason why I love to use this one on my face is because it's more lighter than this. Okay, this one is a little bit thick. Okay, that's why I use this on my body now, and I use this one on my face. So make sure that you include sunscreen in your skincare routine. Don't just use don't just apply your product and you are done. Please make sure to lock it up with your sunscreen so to actually protect you from the sun and prevent your skin from getting damaged because of sun. And whenever you are getting a sunscreen, make sure that your sunscreen is 30 plus up. Don't go below 30. Make sure that it's from 30 upwards. This one is this one is 50. Oh, this one is 50 plus plus. Well, this one is 60 plus plus. Make sure that you go from 30 upwards. Don't go below 30, please. The next product that you need that is a must have is what? Serums. Serums are very important, and these are some of the serums that I have. This is the face fat vitamin C serum. Well, this is the Sterling hyaluronic acid serum. I also have this tea tree salicylic acid serum. This one is a chemical exfoliant, and I have another chemical exfoliant. Let me show you guys. This one is the Moyam AHA and BHA peeling solution. This is a chemical exfoliant. So you need chemical exfoliants that you can use to exfoliate your face. And you also need a vitamin C serum to help to brighten your face, to help to even out your skin tone. And hyaluronic acid serum is actually very nice to help in hydration as well, okay, to bring in more hydration on your face. Then for your body, you need um a a body scrub, a physical exfoliant body scrub. I love to use this sugar scrub. So you can get any sugar scrub. This one is the Bismuth vitamin C shea sugar scrub. Okay, this one is actually nice. I got this one for the price of 6,500 when I got it. Serums target specific skin concerns. If you say that you want to even out your skin, so you want to have a brightening face, you need to include a vitamin C serum in your skincare routine, or even a niacinamide serum, because it actually helps to brighten your face. Okay, it will help to brighten your skin. You don't want to say you want to brighten your skin and you don't have a vitamin C serum. Please, how is it going to work? I made a video on how to brighten dull skin. Just go and watch that video. I'll leave it in the description box. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description box. But please make sure to use a vitamin C serum. If you don't want to get other ones, please make sure to add a vitamin C serum and a chemical exfoliant. Okay, get these two. It's very important. So three or 2 or 3 times in a week. You exfoliate your face with this, then you always apply your vitamin C serum, so it will actually brighten your face and even out your skin. Another skincare must have, this one is for your body, is actually a body lotion. Yes, I'm still using this Silka whitening lotion, this one right here. I love this lotion so much. I love the what is it called, I love the scents and all. The only thing is that it's not really that moisturizing. I was using the Dr. Teal's before I switched to this one. I love it. So you need a body lotion that we use to moisturize your skin. Even if you get a body lotion that's not really moisturizing the way you really want it to moisturize your skin, you lock it up with a body oil. Okay, so this is another skincare must have. You need a body oil in your skincare routine. You need a body oil in your skincare products. Okay, body oils helps to hydrate your skin and make your skin to pop. It glows your skin, okay, it glows your body. So you need a body oil, and this body oil is very cheap. I got it for 3,000 naira when I got it. That was about 3 months ago, and see, I'm still using it. It's a gel like body oil and it's very nice. Okay, so you need a body oil in your skincare routine. Is very, very important. These are the basic must-haves. Other things are secondary, okay, but these are the primary skincare products that you need to get, okay, in your skincare routine, both for your face and for your body. So now I want to hear from you. What products do you think are essentials in your skincare routine? Drop the response in the comments below. And also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'm bringing on this channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.